Okay, so this is the, I guess, the 20th anniversary special, like, collector's edition thing. Um, okay, I'm an idiot. This slipped out. Okay, so here's the normal collector's edition. Oh, I dropped it on my toe, man. I swear, I just crushed my toe. At least my toe stopped the fall. Worth it. Ah, that kind of hurt, though. Ah, shoot. Oh, it's fine. All right. Okay, so show toes. No. Okay, so basically, like, you had this thing covered the books. Oh, we got some things there. Celebrate your part in the online community that changed the course of gaming history. This limited edition collector set contains a trove of collectible items to commemorate World of Warcraft's 20th anniversary and the launch of the War Within expansion. Okay. Cool. Broke my toe, man. It's tough. It's tough. Okay, guys, so let's see here. Right. Yeah, we got the, I guess this is like the normal kind of collector's edition books. Look at this. Should we open this as well, or should I not open this and sell it in like 20 years? Wait, actually, what is in here? Oh, never mind. We open this for sure. Guys. It's like a pin. Look, it's Anduin. Or is this even a pin? What do you even call this? A badge. It's like a badge. Yeah, it's not really a pin. It's not a pin. It's a trinket. Anduin, Thrall, and something else as well. That's really cool. Look at that. Wait, that is really, really sick. That is really, really sick, actually. Yeah. Yeah, never mind. Wait. Very, very, very cool. Yeah, you can, like, stick it into something, yeah. That's sick, man. Huh. Neat. Neat. Let me put it in my bed. Okay. What else is in here? Like an IQ test. I'm about to fail it. Guys, then we got a big book. The Art of the War Within. It's all textured, by the way. Like, it's actually textured. Okay, so let's just kind of go and just check here some things. Oh, damn. Wait, look at that. Anduin. Anduin. Wait, look at that. Anduin Wrynn, the King of Stormwind. Oh, dude, look at this. This is really cool, actually. We get like a behind-the-scenes look by Dave Greco. It didn't say here. It probably says somewhere here, though. Oh, guys. Salatath. Okay, well, I'm going to go through this book later. That is really, really sick. That is really, really sick, man. Okay. Dude, like, the feeling of these boxes is crazy. It's like, it's all textured. It's all textured. Super, super cool. Okay. Guys, that was just the first small box. Now we got the big box. Now we got the big box though. This one. 20th anniversary box. I feel like I should take a picture of this before I open it. Instagram or something. Let's do it. Alright, just turn the song up. There we are. You know what? I can do this later. That's fine. Okay. Let's see here, guys. Let's open this book. Let's go ahead and open this box. Dude, even the foam is textured. Oh, wow. Okay, there's a big foam thing here. Not sure what's inside. Let's open it up. Okay, one sec. Yeah, it's from the Matrix, yeah. Oh, guys. Wait. Holy moly. It's a dwarf. On a griffin. Gold? I think he's made out of real gold. Yup. No, it was really cool, man. Wait. But there's like different parts. There's different parts, man. Yeah, you gotta like attach the parts. And also, this thing for him to stand on. And then some more parts. Got his hand and the tail. Wow. Wow, 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 dude. And also the wings, yes, and the wings. It's a earthen dwarf. An earthen dwarf. Yeah, let's put them together real quick, guys. We got his hammer here. Gotta attach that. There we go. Got the griffin's tail. Attach that as well. Thick. And dude, my floor is a mess right now. And we got both the wings. And both the wings. Oh, wow. Okay, hold up. Get these out. Tail does go in the back, yes. Yes, yes. Whew. Okay. Let's put this on, guys. This wing goes there. Oh, dude, these wings are cool. Okay. Where's he gonna go? Right in the back here, I think. Guys. There we are, man. Nice. Okay, wait. Let's put him in the back here. Collection out that I might have to. Might have to. Okay, he's like chilling in the back. Yeah, nice. Okay, we can see him when I'm here. Okay, the thing is the camera's in focused, so you can't really see him there. But yeah. Whew. Yoda Sactor, yeah. So Blizzard sent me the collector's edition. It's like a 20-year special anniversary thing. So like there's like yeah, the statue and like art book and so some very cool stuff, man. Yes, it's pretty awesome. They sent me this. Pretty damn cool. Thank you, Aiden. Thank you.